Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nicklicks. So in the last video I have explained you how to add two numbers and take the value of that number from user. So now let's have a few assignments. In today's assignment what I am going to do here is I will make a two buttons. Let's start with that. Input type button, the value I will take it as big, class I will assign as big, and the next button I will take class as small, and the value as right. So I'm like creating a division with di, and I'm writing here as abc. So in the style tag what I'm going to do here is I will write here as di, and I will assigning its width as 200 pixel, height 200 pixel, background color red and color white. And so let's see the output. Open in browser. So here my a div comes with a width 200, height, background color red and color white. Now the two buttons big and small. What I'm going to do here is if I am clicking on a big button again and again, means continuously I am clicking on this big button, the ABC text will be increasing. It will keep on increasing as such I am clicking as many times I am clicking on a big button, and it will keep on decreasing as much I am clicking on a small button. So defining it, I will take a variable with the name a equals to 10. So dot big is a class that I have assigned to a button. So big dot click function, I have like explained you earlier in my earlier video that you have to define a class to every button in order to attach an event for that button. So big dot click I will do here as a equals to a plus 10, means 10 plus 10 20, and here I will refer my di. So to refer a di is a div, is a class that I have like integrated with my division. So dot css is a new function that in here I will define it as font size equals comma a. So let's run this. Open in browser. So big. So every time if I am clicking on a big button, it's increasing. How it is been increasing? So a is having a value of 10, 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So a becomes 20. Gi is a division dot css. It will pick up, it will assign a font size property and assign a new value every time I'm clicking on a big button. So whenever I'm clicking on a big button, it is incrementing my a value by 10, means 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30. So every time it will increase the font size by 10 pixels. So 10 pixel it is been increasing. And if I am going to define it as small, so here I can define it as a minus 10. So font size will be decreasing. So big, small, right? So big, here it will just increase my font size by 10 pixel, and in small it will decrease my font size as 10 pixel. So this is a, you can say, a small assignment that I have like done for you in a jQuery. You can just implement it and have a practice of this jQuery assignment. So I hope you understand this assignment, and do subscribe my channel for getting all the latest updates of jQuery. Thanks for watching my video.